Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Today I want to tell you about FTX advances steps to acquire Bitham exchange. So before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Leading crypto exchange, FTX has advanced to late stage steps in its potential acquisitions of South Korea-based cryptocurrency exchange Bitham. The conversations have reportedly been in progress for several months. President, the owner of Bitham, confirmed that discussions about the possible sale of business holdings to Sam Bankman Fried Exchange were underway. Bitham is one of South Korea's largest exchanges, with over 8 million registered users. According to President, although no specific course of action has been decided upon, FTX is reviewing all possible options, including a complete acquisition of Bitham and a potential joint management option for the exchange. The move continues Bankman Fried acquisitions spree throughout this crypto winter. The exchange recently acquired Bit4 and is currently in the process of acquiring block fee in $68 million deal. In related news, Alameda Ventures recently provided Voyager Digital with $500 million of credit. Flipsider bankrupt. Voyager Digital has rejected the buyout offer from FTX, calling it a low-ball attempt that would not benefit its users. Why you should care? FTX attempt to purchase Bitham is in line with its mission to expand in Asia after acquiring Japanese crypto exchange Liquid in February. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao to Bloomberg subsidiary over the defamatory article. Changpeng SG Zhao, the founder of Binance, has filed the defamation lawsuit against Bloomberg, Chinese subsidiary Modern Media Company, for the publishing of an that his lawyers claim actively damaged the public image of CG, causing distress and embarrassment. In the 220 issue of the Chinese editions, the Modern Media Company featured an article titled of Changpeng Zhao Fanzichem. The heading of the original article, released by Bloomberg Business Week, reads, "Can crypto richest man stand the cold?" The Modern Media Company has since taken down the title, replacing it with the mysterious Changpeng Zhao following the fines by Zhao withdrew the defamatory article and ceased any further portrayals of the Binance chief in such a damaging light. The company will also issue a formal apology and offer financial compensations, including damages in a separate filing. Changpeng Zhao sued Bloomberg LP and Bloomberg Inc. over the defamatory allegations within the profile piece. So thank you very much, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.